ki pamin tu ne he percentage basic 2 bol du he percentage introduction basic 1 si bol ta ven tu ne he ban jam ting hin tu ne he bol du he sungai number 400. Let's say 400 is a number. It's a number he 20% yat ham 30% yat ham ala 50% yat ham ti honai iti hodo jam ti chang siting ito hita bang ting ala chun dan chu chi number pa he given number pa he 100% ai koi du chang 100% ai koi diu ala chi 100% zu 400 ai le 50% yat tam 50% yat tam 50% ti ting yat tam ti ting ala chun ke lang yeng chula na 400 zu 200 ale sunga ko na sunga 50% to 200 ale 5% tam 5% ti tenga sunga he 00 ka ale 20 ho 5% so 10% dam ti tenga ale so 10% dam ti tenga ale see 5% 20 ale 10% means sunga ko na into 2 bol ring so into 2 5 is 10 bangal sunga he into 2 bol 2 into 20 is 40 na eta he number khat chu ikipi ale 10%, 50%, 30% so bona holo thing so I let 30% of the time 30% of them tele na sunga ko na 3 into ki bol long na 3 10 is 30 jibanga sunga 3 into bol ale 3 4 is 120 tai holo thei so percentage still le sunga 90% ya tam 90% ti holo dio 90% am tele sunga 10% he na 100% as a 400 hele 10% to let's say if 10% to 40 yeng na so sunga 90% tele 90% ta sunga into 9 bola na chayeng so into 9 49 is 360 this is the 90% of 400 1 by 5 it's a bona sunga 1 by 5 percent terms of percentage is 20% the One so sungai 2 by 5 I see 2 by 5 so in terms of percentage also 40%. One 3 by 5 sipai ka su heal so 3 by 5 so 120 kana ji khai so sunga 3 4 is to 120 kana ball he oh so di lo he 3 into 20 so 60% so 60% not 120 so 120% kana ti khai oh so adi lo hin so still is 4 by 5 at the time 4 by 5 so 80% na like a su heal so sipai so sipai ka 60% 3 by 5 so 60% zo de he aba na vet dewa de chu sungai he example a he chamkhat yo ta sa hen 30 sungai for example 30% of 60 so yat ham na I level 20 is what percent of 40 kitiang he iti holo dam or 20 is what percent more or less than 40 so a language pa hi ngai chong a language pa hi iman thela wale sungai ki boiji so na so basic ya basic a chu basic ho chu I het lo wale chun thela wei chong ya sungai hi a language ho hi iti mandam ti pai tham kha ga be na 30% of 60 is 30 by 100 of means into song into bana 60 into 60 g equal to yatham 0.00036 is 18 g eng so na bana question 2 equivalent 20 is what percent of 40 so I have what percent of what percent of 40 after of the I also no langam this song so I after of kiti hota bang after of kiti hota bang ala so I after then kiti ho number hung ho chu no langam this song so after of kiti ho ala after then kiti ho chu so chiu wa hung number ho chu no langam ji this so number 2 hi value 20 is what percent of 40 this 20 he 40 adenga that percentage something song so I of the I piunga 40 yung song so I chia chu 40 chu noilang am this song so I after of kiti so wa hung ho number ho chu noilang am this song so 20% 20 is what percent a percentage ho antia chu zakhala ya dam so sunga 0 ni kat tau te 2 is 4, that means 50% yeng dong. Sungai sino mo chu off zawa hung number pa chu noi lang am ji song 20 is what percent of 40 tale 20 divided by 14 to 100 na what percent ya zakhat lai that ham athum na hi value han number 3 na ham 20 is what percent more or less than 40 so 20 is what percent more or less than 50 sungai hi nim chong wording hi more ma less dim chong 20 hi what percent sungai chike sai 20 is less than 40 chi ban du song less so 20 is less than 40 by how much percent in ai chum sitabang ke sa chu le difference divided by less than zo vai ko hongam ta le 40 ang chong cha sunoi langa 40 am ding and what percent yes na 100 is so sunga 20 to 40 so difference am 20 to 40 20 hi 40 asang yat less am 20 less na 20 divided by 14 to 100 0022 that means 50% less is 50% less ya aman dan pa na iti man ham sunga language mathematical language pa hi si het lo vai thei lo chong choi basic ya as basic a strong phot ngai na ya thampin ka ji do ta diu te choi lai hi value han sunga hi x is what percent of y na x is what percent of y is on of ti zo y ko hongam tale y hong chong y hong is ya hi ta bang case hoi ti bol de ham tale x is what percent of y of those y hong so noi lang am chong y hi into 100 is na amana what percent of x is y of x is on what percent of x is y so sunga hi y of zo ko hangam x of zo x hele ya so x hi noi lang ang so x into 100 is na so amana hi x is what percent more or less than y so sunga hi chike sa hi more or less atia chu x to y chu koi zo lin ham koi onel zam ke lo ya chu yang le tabang ho chu difference of x and y divided by less than zo ba ko hongam then zo y hong long na so y hong ding into 100 na or chi tabang ho hi x minus y by y into 100 ham ela vale esonga le chike sa x le lit zo le x minus y then or y lit zo le y minus x so by y into 100 na chi le x y chu ko lin ham yang hang pya formula zo chi so difference divided by y into 100 na or x minus y by y into 100 na ewa nga sunga sinom penu chu less than or more than sunga den ki tiwa zo y hong so y hi anoi langa om ding a hi na denominator am de hi ti pa chu het ngai cho chi chu point han tin ban chi ki tip ke bana x percent of a is equal to GTG thayam tale a percent of x sten hi ki bang hi chong sten hi ki bang x percent of a tosan a percent of x ki bang hi chong ga value on x percent of a means x by 100 into a or a percent of x means a by 100 into x tinasla na all stand into bovale x into a chu let's say ax taute divided by 100 or langa jong chu a into x chu ax ma long na by 100 tang ki bang long chen hi ki bang hi chong ya chu x percent of a is the same as a percent of x na ai lawang le tang bol thei chu x percent of y chi biam x by 100 into y na long or chi ti ji thea y by 100 into x ang ji thei chula chi or y by 100 chu y percent in na chula na y percent of x that x percent of y is equal to y percent of x na ya so chi ai da nang hi het ngai chong chang important is so x percent of y is equal to y percent of x chiang hi la dan thim chiang hi het ngai na example tam khat veu te example ga veu na example khat let's say 30% of 50 30% of 50 tia le sun chi hol ngai so step tam khat long na e chu sa nga hi 50% of 30 tia le sun 50% of 30 to 15 yeng chu na 30 half to 15 yeng chu tai he hol the yeng chang ilangai ko le sun ha za be chu na wanga ile iga le he ya le sun thakhat ma ya ile iga le he ya sun nom zoi zo ta chang he bolong an thakhat ma 30% of 50 chu ya ham 0 0 0 0 3 5 is 15 15 ma zo na yang le sang 30% of 50 sang 50% of 30 te len la no be chong e chang hi la dan ni thamat het ngai na dan chu 250% of 50 sang chu 50% of 250 tang zi the long na 250% of 50 chu 50% of 250 ang zi the chu 50% of 250 chu ha 125 long na tai ga het the yeng chang ya chi thilo chum dan chang ha teng le ga le he ya le chun ho the yeng khar me ti nai na ya chi pa hi het ngai x% of x y is equal to y% of x henge problem tam khat veu te basic problem tam khat veu te example khat if 40% of 4 by 5 of 3 by 4 of a number is 48 then what is 1% of the same number na chong hi the 40% chu ham 40% means 2 by 5 long na or here thilo wa le chi so 40% of 4 by 5 in of this is multiplied tinai na 3 by 4 of a number is so of a number del of sorry of a number to x taute is 40 to is anti is so equal to so of to le multiplied is 48 so what is 1% of same number hi x pa hi 1% jat dam ti so so ngai 0 0 kan cancel taute na 4 to 4 cancel kit taute ale sungai hi 4 3 chi 4 chin langai cancel the chong 4 1 is 4 4 2 is 8 cancel tai ale 3 4 is 12 hotele sungai x equal to tam x is equal to sungai 10 into 5 to 50 15 to 4 to 200 na so x is 200 the number is 200 so what is 1% of that number so 100% to 200 ala vale 1% chu at tam 1% ti le zonga 0 ni kar le cancel le chai chu 1% chu at 2 long na chi chong sungai option 2 question number 2 veu te question number 2 hi 0.08% of 120% of 50,000 is equal to ham chi bol dan chu 0.08% 0.08% means 100 na into 120 by 100 into 50,000 chi so 50 sorry 50,000 so sungai he 0 ni langa 0 ni kan cancel tna so sungai point zo wa khu digit ni na digit kha digit ni ja chu point la do vale 0 ni noi langa am di chong 120 to 5 so sungai 0 kha to 0 ha cancel taute 5 2 is 10 kit taute 2 6 is 12 kit taute 6 8 is 48 na tai bo diu cha che bol dan hi step pa chu ya yang le so hi ma he just information ade ngai bol thu ya na ai wa ngai exam ting le ti bol de hom chi chong exam ting le ti bol de hom tai le exam ting le tawng hoi he direct a bol thing so sungai tang sungai he ji percentage to langa 0 ni cancel deu ta chong langa percentage to hin langa 0 ni cancel deu so sunga hi 0.08 na 0.08 chu la do vai le 100 chong into sungai 5 into 120 so yat ham 5 into 12 so 60 long 0 khat toile 0 ni 86 is 48 na tai bol ding chong si het calculation dan chu si su da yang lai sot tila exam sunga ji ti bol dam tabong ho so na jang ki them chu ngai chong aban chiu te next question. What is 34% of G of here? G, it's not G, it's of. What is 34% of 12 kilometer? 34% of 12 kilometer. Na, G CGL means how it's on the question here. What is 34? So I have 34%. This na 34% of 12 kilometer. 12 kilometers at 12. So like 12 sungai unit hi kilometer ya na, so convert the kilometer into meter to 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter long. 1000 meter le 0 ni cancel vale sungai aramta le sungai hi 10 into ball vale atam 34 into 12 so 2 into 34 78 into 34 so 4180 na meter vale answer chi khara mai the answer so meter am mai the centimeter am mai the centimeter am mai om ding ale 418000 centimeter na and it's 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter so in CGL main sang ta so question number 2 we have what is 30% of 40 question number 2 hi jo iti bol them 30% off so for off so intuitive chula na so sungai ani na percentage into percentage into percentage mela na eta mangom te ngai la hin ti bol de hom na si sa tam te le sungai hin equal to sungai hi sungai point ko tang sungai hi direct a point khat ko diu langang point khat ko diu so 3 4 is 12% ji ong abana question number 3 ko value 55% into 30% so ya deham tian lesson same za se pangwa chu percentage into percentage form tinga le digit khat zo right after one digit point ko ta ong point 3 sungai 0 zo vai point ko de langa 5 zo vai point khat ko gi song equal to chin to bol to 3 5 is 15 3 5 is 15 16.5% ching na into bol dan chu vale ta hitang so bol thina so 30% into 30% into 40% means sunga 0 khat 3 4 is 12 by 100 means 12% tang ji thina chna jang le direct ga 3 4 is 12 to 12% ko le chaying so ban chu te okay ban chu te na sunga calculate 83.33% of 480 chitbang ho hi chipa hi 83.33% of 480 then here I ball now introduction I ball now percentage so 80 fraction I held them to so chang application also that's so 83.33% so yat ham so by hal ngai ka ti chana see 5 by 6 so 1 by 6 multiples is say 5 by 6 into 480 so 6 8 is 48 5 6 5 8 is 4400 see 400 is so ya sunga hi a percentage pa hi chi head I lechun percentage is it to 80 fraction convert dam ti pa chi head I sun tang phat machalo wa solve thoi da so within second I solve thei chu ko lo chi head lo wa lechun 83.33 by 100 into 480 tidu sungai into ball multiplication ng complex kita na ya chu exam ting le to hitong te nga le chun nan so examiner ho chun cho hi da aki convert thei fraction in terms of fraction aki convert thei ho hung ki pg chong chite lo ho ki pd lo chu ya chu hitbang 83.33% so high chu eva ama fraction form mai chu fraction form chi het lo wal na ki boy ta cha no ban chu te question number 2 72.22% of 480 chipai here the 480 loading chipai here 480 loading chi 216 chipai 216 216 tiêu tiêu. So question number 2 to 72.22% of 216 ya the tam ji chu. So I 72.22% chu ya ham. So in terms of fraction na hold ngai het ngai so na. Temo het lawa chang hi same thei chu 50% plus 22.22% aji thei chu na che or 50% chu la half ta ya bana 22.22% chang hi bata 22.22 ki thikhal a common na khat mai chu che 1 by 9 is 1 by 9 factor hoi chu 1 by 9 chu ya ham 11.11 chu so sunga hi into 2 a che le bata che 2 into that means 2 by 9 is equal to 22.22% in is on 22.22% chu in terms of fraction 2 by 9 ko deu or equal to 6 into 9 minus 9 11 divided by 18 into 216 that's it 3 7 21 3 2 6 3 6 18 6 1 6 2 12 11 into 12 to 1 3 2 na so xenon pen so I so he decimal fraction decimal percentage in terms of decimal ho hi in terms of fraction it hello them so introduction na video one I bought out song ya so het ngai mo ngai katina so ya het ngai le chun convert dan het ngai le chun cham chakha ki bol the na het lo vai chun chang he 72.22% of 216 so hold tai holding ngai le 722 tai bolding ngai le chun chi pha ja la de tam na ya so percentage in terms of decimal ho hi ti fraction na convert dam a value piam so het ngai na cha so bol chang ban chiute 227.27% of 374 chiviau na chang hi iti bol de ham sunga hin question number 3 hi 227.27 chi mas convert tawong chi pa hi chi in terms of fractional convert bol de 227.27 so in terms of fractional so direct I hit lo vale chi sim to thei ki ti sim to de ham 200% plus 27.27 tai sim to le base up long na 200% chu ya ham 2 yeng song in terms of percentage 200% chu 2 plus 27.27 chang he what I'll hin yeng so multiples of ya ham 3 yong kita so hai wanga chi 1 by 11 ama a value su ya ham 9.09 is so nga hi into 3i chale 3 1 is 3 by 11 is equal 3 9 is 27 see percentage is 0.39 is 27 that's it 27.27 so in terms of fraction 3 by 11 so na so nga hi 3 by 11 ko ya le yatta 22.25 divided by 11 of so into ya so I off into ya 374 so 11 3 is 33 11 4 is 44 cancel I let's see into ball valiata pot ta so 4 into 25 to 108 75 so 850 long na ya so decimal point ho hi iti convert dam hello elevale percentage form hoiti decimal form akoi dam ti also very very important na chi bol ki te 344.66% of 372 see what I lehin so nga 341.66% jang sim do the chong iti sim do de ham 300% plus 41.66% asim this na in terms of fraction na so 300% in terms of fraction na yaram 3 yengs la na 3 ya banting le sunga hi 41.66 ya tam 41.66% ya ham ta le chi 5 by 12 it's also ya chi by han ngai ta chung chi la ba le 36.41 divided by 12 into 372 so 12 3 is 36 12 1 is 12 41 into 31 in ta 41 3 12 that means 1271 chena Okay, one second. Next question. If a number is increased by 25%, then it becomes 60. What is the original number? Number ka 25% na increase ale 60 hai so. So the numbers if na. Let's say the original number is 100%. So pa hi 25% na increase ni so. 25% na I increase ale then it becomes 60 so yatta si number 2 125% talaw daw. Na. So what is the original number? The original number 100% yaram this. So sungai hi hedikhatsu laya sungai hi 125 sungai increase in numbers 125 so now 125% to 60 here le. So what is the original number? Original number is 100 long. Yatta si cancel lagi tayeng so sungai hi let's say it's 10 cancel value 25 5 is 125 25 4 is 100 5 into 5 into 12 to 60 long 5 into 12 to 60 left, so 4 into 12 will be 48 is the original number. Tang hol thi chong ai lowang la si ratio method am bol thi so hi sunga yat increase in number so increase pa yat ham 25%. 25% mean in terms of fraction that's 1 by 4. So if the original number is 4, original number tutin still increase number or after number increased number na original number 4 here le yat increase achunga pa hi increase chong si achunga numerator am pa hi increase pa chu 4 na hi ya to one increase to ya tam to 5 lo dong na. So g given is 5 into so then it becomes 60 this sunga number pa so 60 here le original number ya tam 512 is 60 le 412 is 48 is the original number. Tang ratio method za thei chong ratio mang when a number is increased by 20 then it becomes 116 of itself. What is the number? When a number is increased by 20 number ka 20 ay increase pa na it becomes 116%. In terms of percentage let's say let 100% be the number sipahi sungahi increase 20 I increase para to then the numbers becomes 116 so 116 of itself. What is the number? So sungai tila deuta so in terms of percentage so yat increase 16% increase long 16% so equivalent to 20 le. What is the original number? Original number is 100 long so 100% yat tam ti so 4 4 is 16 425 is 100 kutele sungai 4 inchi izara into bola le 20 ham 4 into 5 to 20 long sibanga sungai 5 into bola le sungai piang ta 5 into 25 to 125. This is the original number. So original number is 125 na. Next question. 65 gram is what percent of 2 kg na 65 gram hi what percent of 2 kg so sungai able bangwa so 65 see in terms of gram see this is in terms of kg so convert kg into gram 65 grams so is what percent of this sungai of is so koyangam 2 kg 2 na so kg so convert into gram I convert ta sungai 65 gram 1 kg equal to 1000 gram into 1000 gram. 2 kg to 1000 gram I convert song chang gram ta 6 chang gram ta chang he gram 65 gram chang he gram ta song. I have a question so is what percent of it ya so zakhat la ya ham ti bu song so sunga zakhat 0 ni cancel taute 5 2 is 10 5 3 5 1 is 5 5 3 15 so equal to 13 by 4%. Question next question. When 85% of a number is added to 75 then the number is the result itself. Find the number. 85% of a number this numbers we get also let's say the number is 100 taute 100% ala do song get la wale so sungai hi 85% of a number 85% of a number 2 is added to 75 then the result is ching the number itself. So let's see sungai idat add ki bolam let so I holo ngai so like 85 apana 100 hi number yat add ki bolam 15 80 90 100 15% terms of percentage a 15% add ki bol so 85 to 15% to add I 100% sla na ya so sungai 15% to 75 is on terms of number. So I say so a number is added to 75. 75 lang I get but in terms of percentage 55%. Yeah, in terms of absolute value I say 75. So numbers 100% long. So by whole body so 100% as the term. The so I na. So 5 3 is 15, 5 20 is 100. And then 3 in sungai add into bola 75 ham 3 2 is 6 3 5 15. So 2 into 25 at the 500 na. This is the number. Option number 1 na. Next question. Two numbers are less than a third number by 30% and 37% respectively. Then by how much percent is second number less than the first number? Then by how much percent is second number less than the first number? Two numbers are less than, so let's say first number A, B, C to T, or let's say first number, second number, third number T. First number, second number, third number. Two numbers are less than a third number by 30 and 75. Let's say third number is 100 first number is less than the third number by 30%. Then what is the first number? 70 low down na. Bana second number is less than the third number by 37. Hotel is 63. So how much percent is second number less than the first? Second number pa hi first number sa ngayon less some percent terms of percentage. So si ratio ang ko ito. Ratio ko value niya uti 7 10 is 70 7 9 is 63. So the second number is less than the first number by 1 unit. 1 unit to 1 unit na niya na. Masong hi to less than the first this ko ito compare ham second number hi first or compare so the second number is less than the first by 1 unit. Ko ito compare ham first number hong this so hi for less than so ko ham first number hong long. Yeah, so first number no yam this and 100% that's 0 0 equal to 10%. So the second number is less than the first number by 10% na. Next question. Next question like A percent of B plus B percent of A equals them na. See bolt out na. To X percent of Y is equal to Y percent of X T pauses na. So sungai A percent of B plus B percent of A percent of B plus sungai B percent of A so it is A percent of B as it long A percent of B equal to bang tayo na twice of A percent of B by this twice of A percent of B so kada sungai twice A percent of twice of B divided that's twice A percent of twice B ang sumsla twice A percent of twice B siyang sipa di daw so twice A percent of B sipa twice of A percent of B twice A daw twice of A percent of B ni nice na. So this is the correct one. Next question if 60% of P is equal to 40% of Q, then P equal to X percent of Q. Find X na. X by hold out. X by ipiam hold out. So question 2, 60% of P is equal to 40% of Q. So let's percentage to percentage cancel out na 0 0 cancel vale pimta 6p is equal to 4q chan cancel till laila 2 2 is 4 2 3 is 6 then sungai p is equal to 3 pi hulanga chale 2 by 3 q this so sungai hi chi form am long p is equal to x% of q so chi in terms of chi pa hi x in terms of percentage as heading at the term 2 by 3 to 2 by 3 to ha 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 to yet 1 by 3 to 33.33 yale 2 into ball violet 66.66 long na so 2 by 3 equal to in terms of percentage as 66.66%. So question number 2 na if 5% of A is equal to B, then B% of 20 is the same as. So I given I P KPM tile 5% of A is equal to B. Then B% 20 the same as B% of 20 is the same as this. Na see how lot there. See B% of 20 is 20% of B. 20% of B as it hello na. E bolai ta zi om ta sungai B value mai chu. Ya chu B value khu put the ball down 20% of B chu ya ham. B chu 5% of A. Chilo ha. Or equal to sungai hin 20% of to let's say of to into chi cancel le 520 1 sungai 1 A into 1 to A by 20 long na 20% of A by 20 mam 20% of A by 20 20% of A by 20 is pa he na option dong dong ja ki koi ba so next question 50% of x minus y is equal to 40% of x plus y. Then what percent of x is y? What percent of x is y na? So nga hi 50% of x minus y is equal to 40% of x plus y. Sila na. So percentage to percentage cancel out langa percentage to langa percentage cancel out 0 to 0 cancel vile so nga into 5 into bolo han multiply bolo le han so nga 5 into bola le 5x minus 5y so nga so nga 4 into bola le 4x plus 4y. So x to x variable ko yung to x tani laga nga le 5x minus 4x to x 5y ko lang nga sila plus 5y 9y tayo na 9y. So nga question na what percent of x is y this what percent of x is y so nga lalay ko na sorry x by y hold out x by y equal to 9 by 1. Siya a question na what percent of x is y it is what percent of x is y ta lesson so nga off so ko yung x hung song at siya su iti yung dam ta le so nga y no chungam ding of x after of so ko yung x hung ali x no yang song what is well, what percent of x is y is what percent of x is y is let's see for my whole oduk ta sula si yatam y yatta 1 y chu sunga hi 1 long na 1 by x on 9 into 100 yatam this equal to 11.11% or equal to 11 1 by 99 na 11 1 by 9 si pa hi okay question saying I think na so here if A is 25% more than B then B is how much percent less than A na so nga hi A hi B sa nga 25% na more than so plus 25% that means 1 by 4 na 1 by 4 hi alit zo ale B hi A sa nga ja nevam tilong so si ya nevam tele so nga minus hong dia so nga pa na hi this is 1 by 5 loading 1 by 5 is 20% b is less than a by 20%. See okay basic 2 ibol now to isan chu tan tin na kit tiang le hun problem sai chi kit du he be tuna ibol chu basic na nei chong introduction na he basic 1 to 2 ibol wa abana pana ho problems or types different types of problem event de ong so also viautin sunga chu basic langa ki bol ho si hi sai banga chu important ya sunga percentage so iti convert bodam percentage into fraction into percentage ki hos na a conversion of value ho so hen ngai ong so so hin heaven lang abana ji de na next thing le type ai chi du tai ong problem type ai chi du tai tu na dingin sen sai tau te